Okay, let's make some strawberry cupcakes. Can you dump the coconut oil into our food processor?
I'll make the coconut.
Right there. And I will start doing our eggs. Just a little more. Okay. And you get our honey. Put our honey in the piece. Okay, very full.
Honey drop.
Honey drop. 1/2 cup of honey. Okay, can you help us squeeze our lemon? Oh, let's go this way.
Ooh.
Go. I need about a tablespoon each. 1/2 lemon should be good. Can you put in some vanilla extract? Thank you, that's good. You are the best at measuring our almond flour. So, I need you to get the cup. Let me smell that. Did you fill that one up? Are you sure? It doesn't look full. Give you the right teaspoon. Let's pour it in, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, and then we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay,
Pinky.
Pink salt. Pink salt. For strawberry cupcakes. There we go. Strawberry.
Mom, is that salt strawberry?
No, the salt's not strawberry. Okay, you ready? Can you push our button? Cut this and then you cut those into small pieces. Hold on a second. Great, great. And then our lemon zest. Can you also do that maybe just one finger? Not too much. We still want to have nice strawberry pieces. You can do it yourself. One more scoop to this one. Good job.
Now can I dip this in?
No, not yet. You can have a little dip afterwards. Whoa! Okay, wait, hold on. You want to go in a little circle. Oh boy. Good job. Now the final touch.